Dear students, today we will study about complex numbers and quadratic equations, and this chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 this, and in the complex number, first we see about the quadratic equation. We know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So with the help of quadratic equations, we will understand about complex numbers. अब इसमें हमें लिखिए पढ़े करती हो तो the discriminant हमें find out करती हो. If b equal to b square minus 4ac, it was greater than 0. So we found here two distinct real roots हमें मानते हैं. You have studied in class 10. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, I have 2 equal real roots. And now third was b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It was no real roots. We put this calculation class 10. No real roots, that means we say also it is imaginary roots. तो अब इमेजिनरी रूट बनने चीज की हो इधर हमें बुझना पड़ेगा. इसमें हमें d को वैल्यू पॉजिटिव काउंट हो. Here exactly we will get 0 and here value will be negative. So in this case it is not possible to find out any square root of negative numbers. So it needs complex numbers. Like see some examples. If we get these two things, our quadratic formula was x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4c to ये हमने पढ़ा है. You have been studied in class 10. अब use insert b square minus 4c को value positive I बने. It's okay, we can find out. If it is coming 0, also we can find out. But if it is coming like minus b plus minus, it is negative number. So there is no any rule, any method to solve this in the real numbers. So to solve this negative numbers, we will take the help of complex numbers. अब complex number बनने से इसके हो identify कर दीजिए. Complex number means this imaginary number using some complex number ये negative number जो हम से ऐसा केवल चाहिए complex number. Like if we have this, we will take some examples for the complex numbers. इसमें क्लियर बुझने के लायक एक और ऊपर से some example. Suppose हमारा a को वैल्यू है 2 and b is 5 and this if we have b square minus 4ac equal to, suppose a negative number, suppose coming minus 4. So if we put here x is equal to minus and b value 5 plus minus this d b square minus 4 is coming in minus 4. Here 2 into a is 2. So minus 5 plus minus 4 by 2 to the 4. अब यू केस में रियल नंबर में तुम क्लास 10 में पढ़े कुछ है, इसको हम ले निकालो फाइंड आउट करो सकते हैं. पहले करता हम लिखिए कसको के यूज गर्नु पर्यो कम्प्लेक्स नंबर. अब ये कसरी कम्प्लेक्स नंबर दिन्छ. सपोज x is getting minus 5 plus minus under root minus 4 by it is 4. अब यसलाई हामी के लेख्न सकिन्छ -4 is written as -1 into 4 this by 4 and x is equal to -5 plus minus यो -1 जुन छ यसलाई -1 is equal to I square it define गरे complex number मा so if it is -1 is written as I square into 4 by 4 so -5 plus minus square of I square means I written 2 times I square could क्या हुन्छ I 4 by 4 this type of number is known as complex numbers I भनेपछि I how to define this I let's say this so for the complex number what we do first it is in the book also you can consider from this minus root over -1 is it is I यो imaginary number भन्छ root over -1 equal to I यो it is the Greek letter IOTA iota इसको short name क्या हो I and if we square of this it becomes I square and -1 को square क्या हो minus it is -1 को whole square करते हैं -1 that means I square therefore I square is equal to -1 so I is equal to root over -1 and I square is equal to -1 so now we will define the complex number defined by a number of the form a plus ib यस्तो फर्मको कुनै नम्बर हुन्छ a plus ib where a and b are real numbers is defined to be a complex number तो a plus ib लाई के भन्छ यो complex number को फर्म हो for example 3 plus i4 3 is a I is imaginary number and in the place of it is 4 for example -1 plus I root 5 4 plus I -1 by 9 this is a complex number को example for the complex numbers we denote this complex number by z small z it is denoted by this z denote गर्नु पर्यो z is equal to a plus ib यो जुन complex number छ this a is known as real part a लाई real part भन्छ and denote गर्नु पर्छ rez real part of complex number rez यसलाई के भन्छ b को नाम के हो imaginary number imaginary part there are two parts in complex number first real second is imaginary the real part ले के भन्छ कसरी डिनोट गर्नु rez imaginary लाई imz suppose for example is 3 plus i5 what is real z is equal to 3 imaginary z is equal to 5 other example is suppose 1 plus i6 यसलाई यस्तो पनि लेख्न सक्छ 1 plus 6i a plus ib otherwise a plus by same thing so what is real part here real part is 1 this one and the imaginary part is 6 so these are the examples of the complex part and imaginary part of the complex number now so next the some here purely real number भन्ने चीज के हो अब हामीले पढिसक्यौ z भन्ने चीज के हो z is equal to a plus ib it is the complex number यसलाई कति बेला pure real number भनिन्छ if b is getting 0 z is equal to a plus ib be a complex number then z is said to be purely real number if b is equal to 0 यो जुन b छ b को value 0 आयो भने suppose if we have one example here z plus 3 plus i4 and here if this portion it is 0 a plus I into b becomes 0 so it becomes a plus 0 that is a so z is equal to a this formula is it is purely real and purely imaginary. In this case, a becomes 0. A को value 0 आए बने z के function ib function. If here z is equal to a plus ib, for example, and in the place of a 0 plus ib, it becomes 0. So ib, z is equal to ib. It is known as purely imaginary number of the complex numbers.